I tried so hard and got so far.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is indeed your girl Tia McPherson. If you're new here, feel free to subscribe to my channel if you like what you see, but if you're oldie but a goodie, welcome back. So guys, today I'll be doing a products review by Mermade Hair. If you've never heard about them, then you definitely need to go on their website and check their products out. They have everything for hair: shampoo, curl and irons, bar wavers, everything that starts with hair. They have it, you know. So you definitely need to up on to their website and check their products out. They sent me a ball waver, and yeah, I'm so excited. I've not opened the packages as yet. I'm just so excited to do this unboxing or unpackaging on camera so you guys can see. This is what they sent me. Look at the package. It has my name on it. Everything has my name on it, so I'm not going to turn the other side for you guys to see it, but look at this. This is gorgeous. Okay, so my first impression of the packaging is freaking gorgeous. You get down and y'all ladies, take a sniff. Take a sniff. Like, this is not, oh my goodness. It's a pre-wave made, prep wave made, long lasting waves in seconds. This is a 32 mm 1.25 inch pro waver. Right, and this is what it looks like. This is her right here. She's so gorgeous. You can style both long and short units. Today I'm gonna do a long hair because that's what I have on right now. So yeah, that's their name. Mermade Hair right there. So damn cute, right? Everything about them is cute. So let's go ahead. It's a slide open box. I'll be using this today. It's so pink. Oh my goodness, that's gorgeous. Y'all, this is gorgeous. Are you guys seeing this? This is gorgeous. I already have a bar wave on, but that's by Conair. And this is now by Mermade Hair. I'm excited, y'all. They even put a hand heat protectant in it, just so you don't burn your hand. That is so freaking thoughtful. And they have a instruction manual, of course, to show you how to use it if you have never used a bar waver before. Okay, so y'all, Mermade Hair, thank you guys so much. Yeah, my eye is irritated, so please ignore my red eye at the moment. Mermade Hair, thank y'all so much for sending me this amazing product. I'm so excited. I am not sure if you guys can see how excited I am, but I'm drop dead excited about this. I'm gonna plug this in. I am impressed. Like, I mean, the minute I went on their website, I knew they were not playing with anybody. Like, their products are fire. So it says off, so I guess you press and hold and it's now on. Oh, it's going and going. So it's at 111 now. So do I press this to go up? Oh. So with this you turn it down, right? And with this you turn the heat up. You see that? I'm going to put it to the highest one, which is 410 that I'm looking at, and I'm going to let that heat up while I prep my hair. So while that heats up, I'm going to prep my hair. I decided to use a longer unit today just so you guys can see how gorgeous the waves will come out. You guys probably have seen my video already on my Conair barrel waver, and now this is going to be the Mermade Hair waver. Y'all, I'm so freaking excited. I am so excited. Got some heat protectant. Of course, you gotta protect our hair. Okay. I want my hair to look gorgeous. Can't wait. I'm so excited. I think you can do it a little bit thicker than with the Conair, because the Conair is more for smaller ball wave vibe. So let's do this. Okay. This is so nice and so convenient. And I'm not using the heat protectant thing that I said I would use. Silly me. Oh my goodness. Is anyone else seeing this? Is anyone else seeing this? Oh my goodness. I mean, I knew that their product was going to be fire because I've watched reviews on it as well, but this is wow. And the fact that it gets so hot so quickly, that's crazy. That is crazy. So one thing I really love about this is the fact that it doesn't take you a lot of time. For example, if I were going out on a date right now and I needed to get this done, it would not take me a lot of time to really do this because, you know, it takes a little time to get this done. So it's very convenient if you really want to do a quick style in your hair and you don't have a lot of time, you want waves, whatever. This will definitely work because it gets hot very quickly and it doesn't take long for it to give you the waves that you want. And everything will be in the description of this video, so you guys can definitely go ahead and get your hands on it. They are having a sale right now, okay, so you guys definitely need to go and get this wave ball, okay. I'm not sure if by the time that I post this video the sale will be up, but yeah, I mean, it's almost Christmas, so they probably have another sale before Christmas, okay? But y'all, this is an essential thing for a girl to have in her collection. If you're an influencer, you definitely need to get your hands on one of these because, baby,
you.